my way to my hopefully last appointment for a while. Get some blood work drawn. And I gotta stop back by home, get some breakfast because I haven't ate since 9 o'clock last night. And I'm like really hungry, and I'm not usually hungry in the morning. So looking forward to getting home and getting something to eat. But yeah, so just gonna get this blood work out of the way, get home, get that, go to work, and then I gotta put some calls in to check on some things that I would like to do for the vlog and for the Home While You Drive YouTube page and web page. So see what happens from there. And I'm using the word "so" again. Still need you guys' advice. What do you think of a word to use instead? Yeah. Anyways, my boring life is starting to pick up though. Got some ideas going on and want to do some checking into things, so things will pick up. Keep dreaming and keep trying to follow your dream, it will happen. That's what everybody tells me. Heck, that's what I tell my daughter. I gotta start taking my own advice. So I just got to the place where I'm getting my blood drawn, heading in there right now. Shouldn't take too long, it usually does unless they got a line, but it's like early in the morning since I had to fast. So shouldn't take too long at all. But I'll be going in there, get that done, get home, get food. Wood. So I just went and got my blood work done, and back home to grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna head to work for a little bit. Still tired since I didn't get to sleep as early as I wanted. I really need to find something to help quiet the vibrations down on while the camera's up on the dash. I noticed in the last couple videos that I've done this in, it got pretty loud with the vibration. Not much I can do about the rain or any of that, but okay, so plans changed for today because it started raining, but I'm gonna make the best of it, and I'm probably gonna die for this clip. So, but yeah. That's wifey sleeping. CJ, Grumpy Bear CJ. Is he sleeping? But I'm probably going to die for recording that and putting this on YouTube. So, if you guys don't see me anymore, that's why. Okay, so I got distracted with some other things going on today, so I wasn't able to get any more vlog done. Not what I was hoping for my second week. Into my second week of vlogging. This is my 14th episode, so pretty proud of myself for making it this far, and pretty happy about it. Everybody else has gone to bed or going to bed, so I'm going to be heading to bed here soon, and I'm at a loss. Yeah. I think I'm starting to get tired, as Rita wasn't. It's already 2:26 in the morning. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed soon too. Just close out this vlog first, so got some emails sent out for some things I'd like to do for the vlog and for the Home While You Drive page and YouTube page. See if I hear anything back in the next couple of days or next week. And I gotta try to get some more phone calls out and see if I can get anything going with those plans. And no, I'm not gonna say the plans. Those are going to be a surprise if they end up working out. I think you guys will like them. Maybe not, but we'll see. And shh, don't tell her about the clip. You'll know what I mean if you watch the entire episode, or this entire episode. But anyways, so yeah, yay, 14 days of vlogging. So yeah. Anyways, don't forget to click the subscribe up there, and don't forget to click the favorite down there. And oh, some good news on my part. A friend is helping me get an RC helicopter. It's a 4-channel. It's about, I think, 17 inches long, about 10 to 12 inches high, and gonna be start flying RC helicopters, and should be happening sometime around the 10th, or at least that's when we're supposed to be ordering it. And then that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna enjoy that. So make sure to videotape how badly I start out doing. But anyways, you guys have a good night. Talk to you later. Little correction. The favorite down there, click that if you'd like, but at least click the like. That's what I was going for, is trying to get you to click the like button at least. So, favorites only if you want to. Wouldn't mind, but really like the like clicked. And the subscribe. But anyways, have a good night.